बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। सभी सुनने वालों और देखने वालों को नमस्कार, अस्सलाम वालेकुम, and to my Arab friends, Ahlan. I'm gonna cook some Rohu fish. I put the Rohu fish with tomatoes, green shells, onions, garlic. And the powder was turmeric powder, chili powder, and coriander powder. I mixed very good, and I put some olive oil. No fry. I'm trying my best to make it as healthy as possible. Cover the whole thing. About 15 more minutes, inshallah. Fish should be well cooked. And the fish doesn't take that much time. When the fish is cooked, I'm going to add my veggies, which is okra. Okra is very good for your health and good for your stomach. It works as a #1 laxative. It's very good laxative for your stomach. Alright, let's see how it comes. Thank you all. Well, 15 minutes gone. I raised the lid, I tested the salt content and the spice content. Looks like everything pretty nice. It was a little less salty, so I add some little more salt. It smells good. Fish are getting cooked. Another 5 more minutes. You know what? No one ever told me to cook this way. We Indian people, we ruined our heart. We create our own blood pressure. We go to doctors a lot. Because the way we prepare our food is not good. What do? We always fry our oil. As I mentioned before, frying oil is not a good idea. When the oil is fried, it gets hydrogen from the atmosphere, and we call it hydrogenation. What it does when it goes inside the liver, it creates bad cholesterol. Eventually, it leads to the plaque, forming a plaque inside the artery, and eventually causes blood pressure goes high, a heart attack, a stroke. You know, the country I come from originally is Bangladesh. People in our villages, they cook this way. They don't fry the oil that much. I have seen the village women, they cook their food, put the oil, spices together, they cook it. And we never knew that's very healthy. When you come to the town, all the rich people, the so-called elites, they fry their food, fry the oil, spices together, burn them for a while before they add the meat or fish, whatever. And eventually 20, 30, 40, 50 years later, they're down with their heart problem. They have to see a doctor because they ate too good all their lives. They didn't take care how to prepare the food. I'm sorry, buddies. The moment you put the oil, it's fried, you just FUCKED yourself. Excuse my French language. So all my friends, India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, whoever, Nepal, those who are watching my videos, please try to eat it proper way. Stay healthy so that you don't have to see doctor or go to doctor. I'm now 70 years old, going strong, inshallah. I can work 12 to 15 hours a day, 7 days a week. I can lift plenty of good weight as well. Trying my best to stay healthy. I hope you can do the same thing. It's possible. Nothing impossible. Well, my fish are well cooked. It smells good. Fishy smell is gone. Now this is the time to throw my veggies. Well, I add my veggies. Smelling good. Veggies are already half cooked, About 6 more minutes, inshallah, before I take the pan out of the oven, out of the stove. I'm going to add some cilantro. Good food, healthy. Thank you all. Well, the fish and my veggies are well cooked. They smell good. Now time to add some cilantro to make it more flavor. All right, fellow friends, I'm done. And I'm pretty sure if you are following me or if you enjoy cooking heart healthy, try it this way, please. You'll be satisfied in the long run, I'm pretty sure. They're healthy, they're tasty, good, delicious. Eat with your rice or bread, whatever if you like to. Good luck, see you later, bye.